Hello, everyone. Welcome back to LWLA Learning while listening anytime. I am Sarah.
And I am Tom. We are very happy to spend this peaceful rainy evening with you today.
Today, we are sitting in a small cafe near the window. Outside, it is raining softly. The air feels cool and fresh.
Yes, the sound of rain is very relaxing. I love rainy days because they make me feel calm and peaceful.
Me too. Rainy days are perfect for drinking warm coffee, listening to music, and having slow conversations.
Exactly. Right now I have a hot cup of coffee in my hands. It smells wonderful.
What kind of coffee are you drinking today, Tom?
Today I ordered a cappuccino with extra foam. It is warm, soft, and creamy. What about you?
I am drinking hot chocolate today. Sometimes I prefer sweet drinks on rainy days.
That sounds delicious. Hot chocolate always feels comforting.
The cafe is very quiet tonight. I can hear the rain hitting the windows gently.
And soft piano music is playing in the background. Everything feels slow and peaceful.
I think rainy evenings are perfect for relaxing after a busy day.
Yes, life becomes very quiet during the rain. People walk more slowly. Cars move carefully. Even the city feels calmer.
Do you usually go outside when it rains?
Sometimes I do. I enjoy walking with an umbrella while listening to music.
That sounds very relaxing. What kind of music do you listen to?
Mostly soft piano music or calm jazz music. Slow music matches the feeling of the rain.
I understand. I like acoustic guitar music on rainy evenings. It makes me feel cozy.
Rainy weather changes our mood in interesting ways.
Yes, some people feel sleepy during rainy days. Some people feel creative.
And some people simply want to stay in bed all day,
Honestly, I feel like that sometimes too.
especially on cold, rainy mornings.
Exactly. It becomes very difficult to leave the blanket.
What do you usually do at home on rainy weekends?
I like reading books while drinking tea. Sometimes I watch movies under a warm blanket.
That sounds like a perfect rainy day.
What about you?
I enjoy cooking simple food at home. Soup is my favorite rainy day meal.
Oh, soup is perfect during rainy weather.
Tomato soup and warm bread are amazing together.
Now I am feeling hungry.
Me too. The smell of coffee and food in this cafe is making me hungry.
I can see someone eating pancakes near the counter.
They look very good.
Rainy weather always makes food taste better somehow.
I agree completely.
Do you like studying or working while it rains?
Actually, yes. Rain helps me focus better. And I am Tom. We are very happy to spend this peaceful rainy evening with you today.
Really?
Yes, the sound of rain blocks other noisy sounds. It creates a peaceful environment.
That makes sense. Many people listen to rain sounds while studying.
Do you work better during rainy days?
Sometimes. But honestly, rainy weather also makes me sleepy.
That happens to me too after lunch.
Especially if I drink too much coffee.
How many cups of coffee do you drink every day?
Usually 2 cups. One in the morning and one in the evening.
That is reasonable.
What about you?
I try not to drink too much coffee, maybe 1 cup a day.
That is very healthy.
Too much coffee makes it difficult for me to sleep,
I understand. Sleep is very important.
especially during stressful weeks.
Do rainy days help you relax emotionally?
Yes, very much. Rain feels peaceful to me. It helps me slow down and think quietly.
That is beautiful.
Sometimes we move too fast in daily life. Rain reminds us to slow down.
I love that idea.
What is your favorite thing about rainy evenings?
Honestly, I love staying near the window with warm lights in the room. It feels safe and cozy.
That sounds wonderful.
And I enjoy listening to the sound of rain before sleeping.
Rain sounds are better than many songs.
Very true.
Do you remember any special memory connected to rain?
Yes. When I was a child, I loved playing outside during the rain with my friends.
That sounds fun.
We jumped into puddles and laughed loudly. We did not care about getting wet.
Childhood memories always feel warm.
What about you? Any rainy memories?
I remember sitting near my grandmother during storms. She made tea and told me stories.
That sounds very peaceful.
Yes, rain still reminds me of those moments.
Sometimes weather can bring back memories very strongly.
Absolutely.
The rain outside is becoming heavier now.
Yes, the window is covered with tiny water drops.
The cafe lights look beautiful through the rain.
Everything looks softer and calmer.
I think many people love rainy cafes because they feel comforting.
It feels like a small, peaceful world away from stress.
Exactly.
If you could travel anywhere during a rainy season, where would you go?
Maybe a quiet mountain town with cafes and bookstores.
That sounds amazing.
What about you?
I would love to visit Japan during the rainy season. Small streets, umbrellas, tea shops. It sounds beautiful.
That would be very peaceful.
Traveling during rainy weather can feel very romantic and calm.
Yes, sometimes cloudy weather feels more beautiful than sunny weather.
I agree, rain creates atmosphere.
And atmosphere changes emotions.
Exactly.
Our listeners are probably relaxing with us right now.
Maybe some people are studying English while drinking tea.
Or maybe they are listening before sleep.
If you are listening right now, we hope you feel peaceful and relaxed.
Learning English does not need to feel stressful.
You can learn slowly, calmly, and naturally,
Just listen a little every day.
and enjoy the process.
Now we want to ask you something.
What do you like to do on rainy days?
Do you drink coffee, tea, or hot chocolate?
Do you enjoy the sound of rain?
Please write your answers in the comments below. We love reading your thoughts.
Thank you for spending this rainy evening with us.
Thank you for practicing English listening with LWLA Learning while listening anytime.
Remember, small practice every day creates big progress.
Stay warm, stay peaceful, and take care of yourself.
We hope you have a calm and beautiful day or night.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, see you in the next conversation.